John, Levi, inside, TGR, McQueen, Krager, and Joey. Alright. Boogity boogity boogity, bunch of ham sandwiches.
Oh, 2 to go. They're hitting the wall. TGR clear to the lead.
There you go.
Krieger looking for his first win on the season. They're trying to wreck. They're all in the grass. They're all in the grass. Oh, they're all making... Levi on the wall. He hits Jay. They save it. No caution. TGR pulling away. What can Krieger do? What a CCD. Upside down! I think that's Levi. Sean is also around. Back into the chicane. Krieger in the wall.
Krager hit the wall.
White flag.
McQueen to second. Krager 4 sets, McQueen. That's a 1 out of 3.
Yeah, into that other straightaway.
Yucky, yo.
Krieger wrecks again. Oh. It's up to TGR. It's his race to lose. Into the bus stop for the final time.
You should hit the wall or flip.
Clean through the bus stop.
Right.
McQueen in second.
The final chicane.
It's clean. TGR is going to win at the Roval.
Coming in second, it will be McQueen.
And 2 hard through 1. He's already burning it down. Joey misses him. Levi flips over the wall. Sean drifting through the final chicane. He will come home in 6th. DGR back-to-back wins. This time it comes at the Roval.